Summary: read about woodworking as a part-time hobby, some basic structures to start with, and a few tips for new carpenters. If you are searching for another hobby to pass your extra time efficiently, then woodworking is a fantastic decision. It is an extraordinary outlet for your inventiveness alongside the fulfillment that you will be involved in making and building something that you can be pleased with. Numerous people who get occupied with woodworking will concentrate on making useful pieces that will add excellence to their homes. In contrast, others will find that they need to make it to the next stride and begin conveying their manifestations to nearby furniture stores and advertisements and make an effective measure of money. In either case, the initial step is to find some woodworking arrangements and data to start your innovations. Furnished with the right arrangement, you will have a list of materials required for your project, the machinery and tools required, and guidelines to take after outlines. One note here is that when you are using tools, surprisingly, it is vital to see how to use them appropriately to maintain a strategic distance from wounds and to ensure your activities turn out right. You can converse with the store where you are purchasing the specific tools, go online to the producer's site, or converse with a companion who has some knowledge. You need to begin with basic tasks. One great spot to begin is to assemble a workbench for you. The explanation behind this is twofold. As you discover more undertakings to deal with, you are going to require a solid, consistent surface to do this, and besides, it is a moderately reasonable venture. On the off chance that you commit an error, you won't end up losing a considerable measure of cash to correct it. You will find that this one piece will get a great deal of usage. These will get you acquainted with changes in strategies of carpentry that you should develop for more advanced activities, for example, a ruler-measured bed, a bamboo end table, or whatever other piece that will add excellence to your home. A decent asset that you can utilize is online forums. There are some of these on the web that can give you significant data if you are simply beginning. Once you have finished a couple of basic tasks, you will find that you will be at some place and say to yourself, I can improve. As of right now, you are just restricted by your particular imagination and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your next project. Your support